beasts all over the shop. You'll be one of them, sooner or later.
When you are a man on a mission, temperance, rational thought, and bowel control fall to the wayside. Brass is objectively the best metal to melt in the world. I'm talking straight S tier folks like Gauntlet Dark Legacy or petting your cat more aggressively each time. Unfortunately for me, I was about to make a brass-based Mutt metal. Unlike most cooks at Red Lobster, I thoroughly cook my product and don't take a bite before serving it. If brass isn't technically a precious metal, then why does it get them toes so tight? Stick around with me, boys, and we will fill this bucket to the brim with aluminum, zinc, copper, and brass.